Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of Samsung 23.5 inches curved LED backlit monitor, which is the full HD monitor having the resolution of 1920 x 1080. Also, it has the VA panel with VGA, so it comes with the VGA cable as well. Also, it has HDMI port as well as audio port for basically connecting the headphones. So since it is a curved monitor, one of the major advantages of using a curved monitor is that it puts lesser stress on your eyes. So that is really good for your eyes. Also, it has the eco mode, which basically reduces the blue ray emissions. So it reduces the eye fatigue. Now talking about the package, it comes with the VGA cable, the monitor stand, also the monitor and the adapter. So these are the things which it comes with. So all you have to do is just assemble the monitor. So just attach the stand with the monitor and it's done. The monitor is one of the best selling curved monitors in India and abroad. So the monitor has the incredibly slim profile and stylish curved design. So that's really appealing and it's aesthetically pleasing. So right now we are just taking out the covers from the different components of the monitor. So this is the screen and we'll be attaching the stand which it comes with. So this is the stand and which can be easily connected or inserted to the screen body, and then we have the base of the stand. So you just have to screw it up, so it's pretty easy to do that. And once that is tightened, your monitor is all set. Now you just have to insert the cables. So it comes with the VGA cable which you can just insert, and the adapter you can also insert that into the respective ports. And once that is done, you will be having your monitor just like this.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.